could and thought it'd be respectful, you said, "See there, Judge. See? You could,
No.
yes, you would have.
No, oh, absolutely
Quit
not.
scrunching up your face. Get that? No,
That is not.
Alan, she's scrunching up her face, isn't she? Isn't she scrunching
No,
up her
that
face?
is not.
She.
That was not that.
Okay, fine. All right, go ahead. I'm sorry.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Assistant Public Defender Natalie Pate with and on behalf of Ms. McGee, who stands to my right. Please state your name for the record, ma'am.
I'm McGee.
Thank you, Your Honor. Today is the date and time set for sentencing in this matter. We have reviewed the assessment with Ms. McGee, and we would respectfully request the court adopt probation recommendation.
Mr. McGee, anything you want to tell me before I impose sentence?
You know how I told you that I was going to school? I'm enrolled in classes. I start August 26th.
Where?
WCC for my RN program to be a registered nurse. And also, I got a new job as a registered behavior technician. And I'm on doing training. And yeah, I just been trying to grow and heal and do my best in life for my girls.
Why do you want to tell me that?
I don't know.
Oh, there's a reason you wanted to tell me that. Why do you want to tell me that?
I don't know because I don't know because you were because last time you were saying I hope you can, I hope you can do better, or and I just wanted to show you that I am doing better and I am continuing to grow in every aspect of life.
Why did I say that to you the last time?
Because you wanted to see me do better.
I want to see everybody do better. Why did I say it to you? Ms. McGee, listen. Why do you think I said that to you? Why do you think, of all the things you could have said to me today, you wanted to tell me about what you were doing with school?
I'm not sure.
Because you want to just tell me all good things?
No.
Why do you think I said that to you? Ms. McGee, let me ask you this. Through all of the stuff that we've been through on this case and everything, what do you think about yourself?
I think I'm a great woman. I think I have a lot of growth to do. I have a lot of growth in me, and I'm growing.
How about we stop right at that first thing you said? Was that hard for you to say that I'm a great woman?
No.
So if it wasn't hard for you to say and you believe it, because you wouldn't lie to me, would you?
No.
What makes you think that as I sit up here and we're dealing with your case that I didn't see that? Do you think I think that about you?
I kind of had the perception.
Pardon?
I kind of had the perception because of the circumstances.
Had what perception?
Like, that I wasn't, a good woman or something.
That what?
A good person or something. A good woman.
That you were not?
Yeah.
You think that's really what I thought?
Yeah, under the circumstances of why I'm here.
Okay. So if that's what I thought, why was it important for me to know that you were doing great things?
Because I wanted to let you know that, that's not right. What I perceive, I wanted to let you know that I am. Because I thought that you thought I wasn't.
Hmm. Okay. I can see how you can have that perception. Ms. McGee, I didn't think that about you. Sometimes people don't realize maybe I might be the hardest on those that I know show the greatest promise, because then you're not living up to what you should be. See, one thing I knew about you, Miss McGee, you're you're kind of stubborn and hard-headed too, aren't you? Good. You can admit it. You can admit. I mean, I'm not saying that that's a bad thing necessarily, but you're kind of stubborn and hard-headed, right?
Sometimes, yeah.
Yeah, sometimes. So here's really what was happening. Judge, you think bad of me, even though that's not what I thought. That's okay. You thought that's what I thought. And you said, when I come back here, I'm going to show you.
Well, not just.
No,
not
hold
just
on, hold on.
you.
Don't scrunch up your face.
Yeah.
You were going to show me. And one of the ways that you were going to show me, at least preliminarily, you were going to tell me what you'd been doing. And if you could and thought it'd be respectful, you said, "See there, Judge. See?"
No.
Yes, you would have.
No,
Okay.
absolutely
Quit
not.
scrunching up your face.
I
Yes,
promise
that, no.
that is not.
Alan, she's scrunching up her face, isn't she?
I promise
Isn't she
you,
scrunching
no,
up
that
her
is not.
She.
That was not that.
Okay, fine.
That was not.
Okay, all right, fine.
I wanted you to be happy for me. You know.
Do you think I am?
I hope you are.
No. Do you think I am? How come nobody wants to answer my questions today?
Yes. So it wasn't a. Oh, I wanted to shove it in your face. I wanted you to be.
You want to know what, Ms. McGee?
Yeah.
If you're successful and that's your motivation to shove it in my face, that does not bother me. I got big shoulders.
Oh, I don't.
I just want you to be the best you can be.
And that's what I was trying to explain to you that I'm trying to.
She makes sense? Really? Oh, you're gonna go like that, huh?
You see what? Y'all see what I'm saying?
Oh,
Y'all see
good. Okay, so Alan's taking your side.
See? I'm trying to. You know, it's no ill intent. It was just.
I'm not saying there's any ill intent. You know what?
This is like a daughter trying to go to her father and for her approval. You know, say, "Look, I did this. I'm on a better path."
Wow, there's a lot in that, but I appreciate it. I think you knew exactly what you were saying when you said that to me. And let me say this. I don't think, I really, from day one, never thought you were a bad person. I thought, from what I knew at the time that I knew about it, you were doing the wrong things.
Yeah,
right.
Definitely.
And that in that, you weren't living up to your potential.
Absolutely.
Quite frankly, for me, that's the only thing that makes me angry. When I see folks like yourself who can do so much more when you put your mind to it, who don't live up to their potential.
And I don't give up. So.
If you're enjoying this courtroom drama, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Stick around, because we're just getting started with powerful real-life stories of people facing the consequences of their decisions.
That kind of I like. Okay? As you're going through this journey, I'm about to sentence you. Did you talk to Miss Polera at all?
Who's Miss Polera? Is that?
It's the person right behind you.
Your Honor, she had to see,
The screening and stuff, right. So you haven't talked to Miss Polera.
Um,
And you're at WCC
yes.
in the nursing program,
Yes. Well,
doing the prerequisites
Yeah.
to get yourself into the nursing program. So do you know why that also might make me happy?
well,
You don't know, do you?
I don't think she does know this, Your Honor.
oh. um,
Miss Polera, you're stood.
Yes, Your Honor, I just wanted to update the court, to let the court know that I did receive the victims impact panel proof of batch that was sent to my office today. So that is something else that she did get done in that way. I do know that her original sentence date was on the 24th, but since she got released from jail, she had to get working and she needed to get the money together for the fee for the assessment. So I gave her additional time to do that, and she did. So she has been following through, I think, and has been taking it very seriously on what the court is.
Ms. McGee, I expect great things.
you will see great things.
See, that was shoving it right back. See that? I don't care what anybody says. I know what she was doing right there. Okay. Well, a couple of things. And what I was going to tell you, part of the reason I like to see young folks start themselves out at WCC where they can, right?
Mhm.
And have dreams or aspirations, even if it changes and you decide not to go into nursing, that's fine. That's in part because I teach there.
You teach there?
I did. Well, I do, depending on the
Oh.
semester, part time.
What subject?
Really? Criminal justice.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
All right. So,
Yeah.
and so the students there are important. It's a great place to get an education, and you should do well.
I'll try my best.
Court acknowledges this is not a serious misdemeanor as defined by statute. However, it does believe that there are reasonable grounds to depart from the presumption of a non-probationary sentence. Specifically, the alcohol screening and assessment identifies the benefit of intensive outpatient treatment, AA meeting attendance, and abstinence from all intoxicants. Therefore, the court will follow the probation's recommendation of a probationary sentence with the stated rehabilitative goals to promote change, prevent recidivism, monitor compliance of recommended treatment. It is therefore the sentence of the court. I will place you on 18 months probation. You are to pay $855 fines and court costs, $100 probation or prosecution recovery costs, $100 police agency recovery costs, $540 probation oversight fees. When can you get that paid?
So like I said, I'm in the training for my new position, the registered behavior technician. So I'm still in training. I don't have much income coming in right now, but I know when I complete that training and I start my position, then it should be within about 2 weeks, and I start, getting my money, get my checks. Then I'll be able to start paying on it, paying this stuff off.
Payment plan is approved by probation. So you got to talk to probation, get a payment plan in there. And the other part of the reason I'm allowing it to happen without even a down payment is you have it in your head how you can do this. And you just need to follow through. All right. Sometimes it may not work out, but you follow through. There should be no use of alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal substance. Should be subject to testing as requested by probation. You're to complete an intensive outpatient program, including all aftercare recommendations with status reports to probation. You're to attend 2 AA meetings per week with monthly verification to probation. You're to provide proof of the victim's impact panel attendance to probation that has been completed. I will continue with the scram tether until proof of an IOP, the intensive outpatient treatment program, until that enrollment is shown, your tether will continue.
Okay.
I'll order 93 days in jail.
What a journey inside Judge Stephanie Boyd's courtroom today. Amamar McGee entered facing sentencing but he also showed real determination to change enrolling in school, beginning a new career path, and demonstrating personal growth. Judge Boyd acknowledged that progress and sentenced him to 18 months of probation, along with specific rehabilitation goals and strict compliance requirements. This case is a reminder that the justice system isn't only about punishment, it's also about growth, accountability, and second chances. If this story kept you hooked, hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss another real courtroom moment. Lives truly change in these hearings.